When I chose to cook Bratwurst mit Sauerkraut und Kartoffelpüree, I wanted to bring something from Germany to the table. In translation, I will cook sausages with pickled cabbage and mashed potatoes. 500 grams diced potatoes, 300 grams spicy pork sausages, half a teaspoon black pepper, 60 milliliters milk, 1 kilo thinly sliced sauerkraut with the hard stem removed, 80 milliliters vegetable oil, 40 grams tomato paste, 50 grams butter, 1 teaspoon crushed cumin seeds, and some fresh thyme. To start this recipe, we will begin rinsing our pickled cabbage slices in water and drain this after a couple of minutes. I do this to lower the extra salt content and strong sour taste of the cabbage. Until the cabbage sits a bit, we will start preparing our mashed potatoes. For this, put water in a pot and boil the diced potatoes until tender. When done, drain the water out, then add butter and salt over the hot potatoes and start mashing them until the butter has melted and is incorporated. After this, we can pour in milk and start mashing and mixing everything well until the desired texture is obtained. If your potatoes are too watery, then you should use less milk and more butter. Now that 15 minutes have passed, I will drain the cabbage and prepare a pot to saute it. Set the heat to medium and add oil, then the crushed cumin seeds and the tomato paste, stirring and frying them for 2 minutes. Add 60 milliliters water and stir. Then add sauerkraut, mixing everything together until all of the cabbage is coated. Add some black pepper, thyme, and another 60 milliliters water to avoid burning the cabbage. Let it cook on medium heat with the lid on, stirring from time to time until the cabbage is translucent and soft. Because I had no grill, I took a pan, set it on medium heat, then added 30 milliliters oil. Now add sausages and 150 milliliters water, then put the lid and check them from time to time to avoid burning, especially being more cautious after the water evaporates. When done, turn the sausages over and fry them on low heat after the water has evaporated. I hope you enjoyed this German recipe and will try it out sometime. Wish you a great day and good food on your plates. Till next time.